Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A37. You need to prepare a computer or a laptop and also a USB cable. We will need to connect our phone to our computer or laptop, but not quite yet. First, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna go to the quick settings panel, tap on this power button in here in the upper right corner to open the power menu, and we're gonna shut it down. There we go. Once we shut it down, we should be able to connect our cable, our phone to our computer or laptop, and once you plug the cable in, you want to press and hold power and volume up button. So I'm gonna plug it in, there we go, and then press and hold power and volume up, and keep holding until you see the recovery mode. So this is going to take a couple of seconds. There we go, and now in here we can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons. So you can use volume up and volume down in order to choose a different option. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, you just have to choose reboot system now option. I'm gonna also unplug the cable since it is no longer needed. So once you have reboot system now selected, you can press the power button and your phone will restart and go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.